Hi, Miss M7153. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Annalyn San Pablo Evangelista. I'm 40 years old. I'm married, mother of two daughters. They are 21 years old and 10 years old. I am Roman Catholic, and then I graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education. Then I have experience in Hong Kong for 3 employers. My first employers, I take care of twins. I cook them breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then I pick up and send them this in the school. Then my second employer, I am the one to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner also. But the mother stay at home. Only my duties is going to market, cooking, and cleaning the house. And my third employer is I'm break because my father died. I'm only work for there for 7 days.
Okay, so your last employer was to have a family problem.
In the first one,
Okay, your first employer. Then your last problem.
my father died. I didn't come back in the Hong Kong.
Okay, so you have three different experiences as a helper in Hong Kong. But do
Yeah.
you have any release paper?
The last one, no sir. The first one, I didn't remember where I put it because I left my things in Hong Kong. I didn't take any papers.
Okay, but your employer on your last employer was in good term,
Yes, yes sir.
right? Okay, so since you have experience being a helper and taking good care of child, but you don't have experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes sir, I'm willing because I have a daughters. I can take her.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check first. I will check the diaper is it full, and I will check if the temperature is okay, and then I check if the baby is hungry.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
I will call the attention of the parents.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because of the climate and the tradition and the
Okay, and how long do you work? Do you want to work in Hong Kong?
two or more than it depends on the employee needs.
Okay, for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I cook long soup. I can cook steamed pork, steamed fish, soy sauce chicken, spare rib pork, like our food adobo like that.
Okay, um, if your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat.
Yes sir.
It is okay to you to share a job without a helper.
Yes sir.
How about sharing room with a baby or kids?
Yes sir.
Can you promise not to use cell phone while working?
Yes sir.
It is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
My message to my employers: if you hire me, I can take care of your family. Then I be responsible, honest, and trustworthy. You can trust me in your house, and I can do my best, willing to learn. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Annalyn. Thank you.